So guys, for the first step, you need to get the original PS3 firmware. You could either search for PS3 firmware download or you could search for PS3 system software updates. You need to find the firmware. I'm going to get it from the PlayStation website. I'm going to click on this. There will also be a link to this page down below in the description. You want to scroll down and then expand, reinstall using a computer, and then click on download PS3 updates. And it should now be downloaded. You want to right click on it and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with the PS3 system firmware. You could just move this to your desktop. You want to make a new folder on your desktop, so you want to right click on your desktop and then click on new and then click on folder. You want to call this PS3 and then click on enter. Once you have this new folder called PS3, you want to open this up. You want to create a new folder in here as well. So you want to right click and then click on new and then click on folder. You want to call this update, all in capitals, and then click on enter. You want to move this PS3 update file into that folder that you just made. So just right click on it and then copy, go back to the folder, update folder. You want to paste that file into here. So just right click and then paste. You need to call this file PS3 updat.pup. If you don't see the .pup at the end, you want to click on view and then click on show. Make sure you have file name extensions ticked. You should now be seeing .pup. So you want to right click on this, show more options, rename. You want to call this PS3 updat without the E .pup, like how it is on my screen, and then click on enter. Next, you want to plug in a FAT32 USB to your computer. You want to format it, so just right click, format, make the file system FAT32. If your USB does not support FAT32, you want to get a program called Rufus. You can get it from the Microsoft Store, and then just select non-bootable, and then select large FAT32, and then click on start. So you want to format your USB as FAT32. You want to move that PS3 folder that we created into the FAT32 USB drive. I'm just going to right click on this, copy. I'm going to go to my FAT32 drive and I'm going to paste it in here. So I'm going to right click, paste. Just wait for this to load. Next, you want to remove your USB from your computer. You want to turn on your PS3 and then go into safe mode. So you want to plug your USB into your PS3 and then you want to enter PS3 safe mode. So guys, as you can see, my USB is now plugged into my PS3. And my PS3 is currently turned on. So I'm just going to quickly turn it off. I'm just going to hold the power button till it turns off. Okay, the PS3 is now turned off. So make sure your PS3 is turned off and then the USB is plugged in. Now you want to turn on your PS3. However, you want to keep holding on the button. Don't let go. So you want to hold on the power button, don't let go, just keep holding it. It's going to beep once, keep holding it. Don't let go. It's going to beep again, then it's going to turn off. Next, you want to hold on the power button again. It's going to beep once, beep again, then it's going to beep twice, and then you let go. So hold the power button, that's one beep. It's going to beep again, now it's going to beep twice and then you let go. Done, that was 4 beeps. It's now going to take you into PS3 safe mode. You want to connect your PS3 controller with a cable to your PS3. Now once we're here, you want to scroll down and select System Update. It's then going to tell you to connect your USB into your PS3. And then you want to click on Start and Select on your controller at the same time. I clicked on both Start and Select. It's now checking my USB. Just wait for this to load. It's now going to start updating. It's going to revert us back to the stock PS3 firmware. Your PS3 should restart and it should now be checking for update data. You could just go through these terms and conditions. Click on Write on your controller, which will then bring us to here. Scroll down and then click on Accept. And then click on X. It's now going to start installing the original firmware. We should now be back here. We should now be back on the normal PS3 page. As you can see, it shouldn't be saying PS3HEN anymore. And yeah, that's how you do it. If you see anything here that you did get from PS3HEN, you could just remove them now. So click on triangle, and then click on delete, and then click on yes. So just remove all the things that came from PS3HEN, and then you should be good to go. It will all be removed now from your PS3. And if you want, you could also do a factory reset now. It's up to you. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it.